This is just a case today on the 21st of July 2025. So I got either A or B before here, but we have all three here. It's the Kalevankatu 49 in Kone Helsinki, in Finland. It was built in late 1970, finished in 1971. This is 18957, 6 floors and 2 rides here. Are almost impossible to get inside, and unfortunately will be badly modernized and replaced during 2025-26.
Yeah.
But at least we have all three.
Or you have.
I do here. But you can take seats to see later or...
Yeah, maybe.
I love the sound smell here.
Same.
But they could have also been pop out here.
Yeah. Inspired paikki not maintained by Kone.
That's it. Make it very short. Then you can watch the staircases PLC here. I think the upper light is broken.
That's